is currently experiencing the biggest coronavirus surge in the entire state of California. This as county officials say testing resources are becoming more and more limited. News 11's Gianella Giglino kicks off our team coverage.
In the latest coronavirus update in Imperial County, officials say that only those who think they may have the virus should be getting tested.
The state did put out some new recommendations with regard to testing, and I want to make sure that everybody understands the reasoning behind that. It is not because we really want to test different people than we were recommending before. We did it because the testing materials have become much more unavailable because of worldwide supply chain issues, as well as the big surge that we're having in many places across the country. Then that has led to both an increased need for testing and a decreased availability of testing.
Within the last week, there have been 27 COVID-related deaths in Imperial County. Currently at ECRMC, there are 62 COVID patients.
We do continue to transfer patients out. However, the numbers that we have transferred out have decreased. We think this is likely for a few reasons. First, both hospitals have increased their ICU capacity, so they are able to keep more ICU patients within county. Second, you're absolutely right. As we're seeing COVID cases increase throughout California, other hospitals' capacity is less. So we are really trying to focus on being able to increase our ability to care for patients. That being said, the state is still looking for ways to help Imperial wherever they're able. So we do continue daily conversations about transferring patients out if needed.
Dr. Moonday also says that sports could potentially be allowed in school once the county is off the watch list, but that decision won't happen anytime soon.
So, for example, it's possible that they may determine that youth sports are allowed for non-contact sports and sports where there might be the ability to physical distance, and they could, for example, do that and then say that there would not be any audience.
The state has yet to release any information regarding youth sports. Reporting in El Centro, Gianella Giglino, News 11.